In this video, we will prove first shifting theorem of Laplace transformation, which is also known as first translation theorem. So let's start with the statement. If Laplace transformation of ft is equal to f of s, some another function of s, then Laplace transformation of e raised to the power at ft is equal to f of s minus a. Means if you have Laplace transformation of some function of t, then you have no need to calculate Laplace transformation of e की power at ft. Means if you multiply the function with e की power at, it will be f of s minus a. Means you have to replace s with s minus a. Proof. By definition of Laplace transformation, we know that Laplace transformation of any function f of t is equal to 0 to infinity integral 0 to infinity e raised to the power minus st f of t dt. So using the same definition, we can write Laplace transformation of e की power at ft, which will be 0 to infinity e की power minus st e की power at f of t dt. Means we replace ft with e raised to the power at ft as per requirement, which can be written as e raised to the power minus s minus at f of t dt, and this is nothing but f of s minus a. What is f of s? This is f of s. This Laplace transformation of ft is f of s. So Laplace transformation of ft is this function, this integral, and this is function of, this is f of s, small f of s. So now compare the two integral. Instead of s here we have s minus a. So this will be f of s minus a. This is f of s. So this will be f of s minus a. Thank you.